Hello, let's simplify this expression, which is 49 divided by 4 raised to power 7 divided by 4. Okay, so the first thing you can check here, 49 over 4, that is 49 divided by 4. This can be expressed as 7 squared divided by 2 squared. Okay, now intuitively, if you have a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n, as you can see that the bases are different but the exponents are common, this is the same thing as a divided by b raised to power n. Okay, so applying this property, we're going to have 7 squared raised to power 2 divided by 2 squared. This is the same thing as 7 divided by 2 raised to power 2. All right, so we are saying that 7 squared divided by 2 squared, this is the same thing as 7 over 2 raised to power 2, applying the property that a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n, given that the bases are different and the exponents are common, we apply this property, and this is what we have. Okay, so 7 over 2 raised to power 2 multiplying by 7 over 4. Okay, multiplying by 7 over 4. Okay, so if you simplify here, this is the same thing as 7 divided by 2 raised to power 7 over 2. Okay, so that's what we have. Okay, now from what we have here, 7 over 2, so 7 over 2, this is the same thing as, this can be expressed as, we're saying that 7 over 2 can be expressed as 7 is 6 plus 1. If you say 6 plus 1 is the same as 7 divided by 2. Okay, this is the same thing as 6 over 2 plus a half. Now 7 can be expressed as 6 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so this we're going to have 7 over 2 from what we have here raised to power, this is 6 divided by 2 plus a half. Okay, so let's simplify here, so that now we are going to have 7 over 2 raised to power, this is 3 plus a half. Okay, now 7 over 2 raised to power 3 plus a half, this is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can transform as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, so let's apply this property, so that we're going to have 7 divided by 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 raised to power a half. Okay, now from what we have here, you find that 7 over 2 raised to power 3, this is the same thing as 7 cubed divided by 2 cubed multiplied by the square root of 7 divided by 2. Okay, now let's proceed. From what we have, we find that 7 raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power 3, this is the same thing as 7 cubed, this is 343 divided by 2 cubed, which is equal to 8, multiplied by square root of 7 divided by 2. Okay, now from what we have here, we find that the square root of 7 divided by 2 can also be rewritten as square root of 7 divided by square root of 2. Okay, now the next thing to do here, we rationalize the denominator by multiplying here with square root of 2, the same case here with square root of 2. Okay, so now if we multiply this, we have 343. Okay, now square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 2, this is basically square root of 14 divided by 8 multiplied by square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2, this is square root of 4. Okay, which is equal to 343 square root of 14 divided by square root of 4 is 2 times 8, this is equal to 16, and this is the solution. Okay, this is our solution using method 1. Let me show you quickly method 2, how to solve this using method 2. Okay, now for method 2, we have that 49 divided by 4 raised to power 7 divided by 4. If you check the power here, 7 over 4 can be expressed as 6 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, so this is 6 divided by 4 plus 1 over 4. Okay, so if you simplify here, by 2 this is 2, by 2 this is 3. So what we have here is 3 over 2 plus 1 over 4. This is what we have. Okay, so let's substitute this power back to our equation. We're going to have 49 divided by 4 raised to power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 4. Okay, now from what we have here, 49 over 4 raised to power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 4. This is in the form of 49 divided by 4 raised to power 3 over 2 plus a quarter. This is in the form of a raised to power n plus m. This can be expressed as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, so let's apply this property so that we're going to have 49 divided by 4 raised to power 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 49 divided by 4 raised to power 1 over 4. Okay, I hope you can see this. Now from what we have here, 49 divided by 4 raised to power 3 over 2, we can express this as the square root of 49 divided by 4 raised to power 3. Okay, so basically what we mean here is that if you're given a divided by b raised to power m divided by n, basically this can be expressed as the nth root of a divided by b raised to power m. Okay, so this is the property that we're applying here. And then now we multiply this by 49 divided by 4 raised to power 1 over 4. Okay, now the square root of 49, this is 7, and the square root of 4, this is 2. So divided by 2 raised to power 3. Okay, multiplying by 49 over 4 can be expressed as 7 squared divided by 2 squared raised to power 1 over 4. Okay, so this is equal to 7 cubed, this is equal to 343 divided by 2 cubed, which is equal to 8, multiplying by, now this is the same thing as 7 over 2 raised to power 2 multiplying by a quarter. Okay, so we simplify here by 2, we'll have a half. So we'll have 343 divided by 8, okay, multiplying by, this is now 7 over 2 raised to power a half. Okay, so I hope you're following this, so that we're going to have 343, okay, divided by 8, okay, square root of 7 divided by 2. Okay, so from what we have here, this is equal to 343 divided by 8. Now the square root of 7 over 2, this is the same thing as square root of 7 divided by square root of 2. Okay, so the next thing is we rationalize the denominator by multiplying by square root of 2 the denominator, and also the numerator by square root of 2. Okay, so that we're going to have 343 divided by 8. Okay, this is square root of 7 times square root of 2. This is the same thing as square root of 14. Okay, and here we have 8 multiplying by square root of 2 multiplying by square root of 2. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, this is square root of 4, which is 2. Then 8 times 2, you'll have 8 times 2, which is equal to 16. Okay, so that means we'll have 343 square root of 14 divided by 16, and this is the solution, as you can see. So follow the steps and kindly subscribe to this channel.